Hi, good morning, everyone. Hmm. This is what we saw last week. We saw the bounce from this level. We are now again in the range between this and Bank Nifty, right? Nifty, we now know has gone till up till above this, and it's now touching 16,700 plus, right? And if anybody has seen SGX, I think it is already gone above 800. So we are having some good bounce in the market. Okay. As we see IT still making new highs and still growing. Okay, we had said last week that there is some more steam left on daily charts, right? And weekly has gone down to below 80, and now I think it has crossed 80. FMCG did fantastic. I think they both have still maintained yet that diamond status. Auto is still struggling a bit. Okay, so we know auto is still at around levels where we see it struggling yet. And pharma, as usual, still no recovery. So pharma has gone into what I call as rest in peace (RIP) state. Okay, so we are pharma के stocks का क्या होगा मालूम नहीं है. This is the sector which is now something where people would be looking to go more short. Okay, so one sector that can go for short trades are right now pharma, but it's just without seeing the chart right now. We need to see where it is, because if it is near the CIP where I was expecting it to come, I think it is around 13,400. Then there can be a chance of recovery from that mode. Okay, so that is where we are with respect to this. And key stocks also last week. I think we didn't got much entries. Okay, short trade didn't trigger at all. Okay, much, and HDFC I think was the time pass trade. It bounced and it went down and it again came up, but it is looking really good. I'm waiting for it to close on monthly basis, maybe Tuesday. Is where I will take a call for equity holding in HDFC, because it's really looking very good, and it might go till up till 3,400 to 3,500 is my target on that, and it's really good. So we'll see that as well. Okay, so let's start. Just okay. One thing which I think that helped me in the morning, or it was just like a very good morning to me, or something which I'll just share. Okay, there was one student who was pretty much new. She has never traded, and she had done, I think, Bank Nifty course during the lockdown. And today morning, she sent me something on it. So, okay, so this is what she said that she traded in 1 month. Okay, and she made almost 31,000 with a capital of 16,000, which is almost 100% that a starter has done it. And in that also, she had a 9,000 ka loss in a single trade. So in a way, she almost went till 40,000 ka profit from just 16,000 as a startup. Okay, so I think it's really good for a trainer to know that that the student who has just learned, who has never traded, can achieve such things in the very first month. So I'm really happy for that, and it really helps if this such feedbacks keeps coming to us, because it helps us that okay, people are trading well after the training, and they might not need extra support from anyone else, because if you want to be independent and if you get a good right trainer at the right time, I think that helps, for any person to be independent. So let's start now. Oh, Teddy. Top button. Let me change. Just doing top bottom writing before it. ले लेता हूँ. Let's see. Okay, so now we have got our pages. Let me just settle this here because if छोटा screen से बड़े screen होता है तो ये थोड़ा बिगड़ जाता है. And I like to keep it like this so that you get the full screen. Let's see Nifty. Okay, so here we are with Nifty. Okay, so Nifty might show you some bearish divergence here. Yeah. So we have still have placed in 16,880. So this is still you can expect. Okay. Weekly does not have any divergence now. It is 71 and 72. So that is ruled out. And monthly never had anything. And it's still growing. And monthly 76.5. So still 3.5 का RSI बढ़ सकता है इसमें. You can still have, this growing till 80 on monthly basis. These indices can easily go till 80. I think 3.5 will easily take it higher. Okay, so
हाँ सर, शायद डेटा सेकंड मंथ का है. मंथली
डेटा
में
सेकंड मंथ वो है.
मंथली
राइट
का
राइट राइट
वॉल्यूम
राइट.
बहुत अलग था.
हाँ नहीं नहीं है यू आर राइट because I have to change back. Thanks for telling me that they
ओके.
will do because I had to change it anyways for top bottom also to my first month. This is the thing like top bottom. If anyone is doing independently, okay. Normally the last week I changed to second month, okay, on advance get. So that is how you get the level for the new month. So let me now correct this to my actual month. गुड यू रिमाइंडेड मी क्योंकि मैंने टॉप बॉटम का लेवल्स बना दिया. अभी वापस मेरे को करंट मंथ के हिसाब से बनाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज़ आई डिड इट फॉर अक्टूबर इट सीम्स. ओके. So here it is. The volume here is very low actually. The volume is good and it's looking good. So, but there also there is no divergence as such. Yes, no divergence. अभी डेली में थोड़ा दिखेगा but that is fine because the number of candles is more. 6-7 candles नहीं है, ज्यादा है. 4 5 6 7 8 नहीं, 8 candles है. So 8 candles का bearish divergence है. So let's see कल क्या होता है क्योंकि ये 77 के आसपास है और ये 74 है. So Monday if it gaps up जो दिखा रहा है उतना हो गया तो भी I think it should go much more above. So let's see that. So Nifty is looking still okay to me, but still worth mentioning that there is a bearish divergence setup, but the rest all is looking good. And there is a fresh volume building up here, by the way. See, this is a doji with good volume, and that volume high has been crossed. So if this is crossed, you might see more high coming up. Okay, and ये जब भी हुआ था, okay, I had said 16,566 is coming. अभी हम लोग उसके भी ऊपर चले गए. तो ये बंदे ने 32,000 क्वांटिटी ट्रेड किया था ये भाव पे. तो 32,000 को 200 रुपये में नहीं बेचने वाला. सो लेट्स सी वो कहाँ तक लेके जाने वाले ये लोग. Okay, normally September is reversal of June, July, August. Okay, but June, July, August were not much trended. August was, I think, in the mid of August से कुछ rally चालू हुआ था. So again, my view is that September might surprise everyone with keeping up the momentum on the upside rather than going downside. So let's see that what September does for us. Because normally सितंबर में मैंने देखा है कि मार्केट गिरता है और बहुत बुरी तरह से गिरता है. So ये टाइम क्या करेगा वो देखना पड़ेगा. You see it is at CIP also of this thing, so I'm not sure what it is going to do. Let's write down for Nifty and we'll make this for Uh, get off first. क्या मैसेज है भाई? Daily all-time high close. Eight bar. Okay. Candle. Upon previous month shooting star high है मेरे ख्याल में अरे लास्ट वीक में भी शूटिंग स्टार का हाई क्रॉस किया है ये डोजी के हाई के ऊपर में क्लोज दे रहा है ये इट्स लुकिंग मोर बेटर प्रीवियस मंथ्स डोजी हाई लिख देता हूँ तो होगा with no inbuilt. This is still existing and no inbuilt bearishness yet. Diamond index. Okay. Now we have to see this will act as the support because currently it took support there. Okay. So this is where it is now. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now I think it is got 940 वाला क्योंकि 880 890 के आसपास में अपर बैंड है 80 पे तो वो एक आएगा 17200 आएगा and 17560 is one of the level where Fibonacci is there. So these are now the levels where we have that as resistance and these are going to be the support for Nifty. Okay, let's see Bank Nifty क्या कर रहा है. Mainly we are interested in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Nifty के साथ साथ बैंक निफ्टी में भी 60 के सपोर्ट के ऊपर आ गया ये क्या किया भाई साहब तूने 63 63 और एक तेरा एक मेरा अच्छा तो एक ब्लैक एक व्हाइट ऐसा नहीं we have to see I think this see still 2 days left and if we cross this high of this which is 63.54 के ऊपर में or we close below 35,600 then this will get nullified. So we now need to wait for the close of this candle. Okay, so I will not comment anything on monthly because we need to close above this and also we need to close above 30 high क्या इसका 3675 okay वहां पे अपना टॉप बटन पे ऐसे भी बाय एंट्री है ठीक है that is fine. Oh, so this is looking like a hammer, okay, at support, price support है यहाँ पे उसको. Now only one thing is we are at 60 resistance as well. So weekly, if it closes now above this 36,300, then only we are looking forward for a new high in Bank Nifty by the way. Okay, so we need this to be cautiously seen. ओके 20 MA के सपोर्ट पे खड़ा है और if it crosses this तो थोड़ा बहुत 36,600 तक ये वीक में जा सकने का चांसेस है so let's see now so So this is at 35,725. Okay. किसी ने कुछ तो बोला, चलो ट्राइस्टार डोजी, ट्राइस्टार डोजी, हाँ है भी। और ये देखो ट्राइस्टार डोजी इधर भी था और क्या मार्केट ऊपर गया था, किधर था वो, इधर तो देखा था मैंने, बीच में भी मैंने दिखाया था, ये डेली पे है। ट्राइस्टार डोजी रहेगा तो मजा आ जाएगा। है तो सही यहाँ पर 1 2 3, so it can go up, shoot at least यहाँ तक तो आ ही जाएगा ये। So there is a TriStar doji type setup, yes, you're right. एक्चुअली जीरो दा के चार्ट पे दिखता है और इधर नहीं दिखता है, ऐसा भी कभी कभी होता है। आई सीन एक रिसेंट में ट्राइस्टार डोजी था और वहां से ही मार्केट घूमा था, इधर दिख नहीं रहा है, ठीक है चलो। So that can be a good movement expected in September start. I think ये अगर यहाँ पे क्लोज होता है तो वो इवन मंथली वैल्यू डाइवर्जेंस नहीं बनना आएगा वो, एंड जो पहले के मंथ में था ना उसको नलीफाई भी करेगा। सो आई थिंक दिस इज लुकिंग गुड एक्चुअली। सो यस वी कैन से दैट, या आई थिंक अराउंड डोजी एट प्राइस एंड 40 सपोर्ट में, प्राइस एंड MA20 support. Okay, so daily price target. Okay, price strategy at this weekly has a bearish divergence confirmed with the evening star at 60 resistance, but now we don't have this, it is no more confirmed. It came out weekly has hammer at MA20 support and 60 resistance. Okay, दोनों है उसको सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस, so we need to see if it breaks above 60, and monthly shows bullish। फिलहाल तो बुलिश कैंडल ही लिखूंगा, नेक्स्ट मंथ में पता चलेगा, मतलब नेक्स्ट वीक में ट्यूसडे के बाद पता चलेगा क्या किया उसने। कैंडल एट 60, ठीक है। अभी भाई साहब रेजिस्टेंस तो नहीं रहेगा ये रेजिस्टेंस मैनेज करते हैं ये भाई, खाली एक कार्ड वन होतो ताको रेजिस्टेंस कड़ी नाही देऊ उसे रहेगा। 35,900 is there and 36 there, आजा आजा आजा। okay, ये एक्चुअली 240 250 के आसपास में है, तो I'll keep it as 250 only. Okay, and then 36,600 चार let this be that. Okay, तो ज्यादा ऊपर भी नहीं है ये, you can keep the same thing here, 400-500 points on bank nifty is fine. Okay, let's go for offer to the other sectors, किसी ने और check पे डाला है, last week it respected, yeah, so it is mainly that is where you know you see uh, resistance, so that is where it is mainly this level. So this is that level, so वही level है। अभी ये level को तोड़ने के लिए दया चाहिए, दया, you know who is दया, right, दरवाजा तोड़ने वाला। तो ये दरवाजा टूटा तो नया हाई आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा। That's why I say now 34,400 36,400 के ऊपर में close would be the ideal way to say that you know the resistance has been broken। दरवाजा तोड़ दो, तोड़ेगा कि नहीं तोड़ेगा मालूम नहीं। आईटी तो यार जाने ही दो, तो पूरा रैली ऐसे मारा है ना ये बच्चे लोग ने, ये देखो यहाँ से भी ये कप का भी डबल ट्रिपल दे दिया उसने, डेली के कप पे जा रहा है। उसको मत देखो ज्यादा। आहा, what a bandwag it is. So it's 82 on weekly, still there is steam on weekly. ये किधर पहुंचा है, ये 90 तक जा सकता है, तो इसमें और भी स्टीम बचा है। बैंडवॉग ही हर जगह पे। See, this is what we were showing, I think even on the other indices also. See this, right? See, it has already given you the target. अभी ऐसा ही टारगेट अगर निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में भी देखोगे ना, देखो टारगेट भी आ गया 80 में। In TCS 3000 पे when we were asking to buy also in equity, people were asking that ये और कितना ऊपर जाएगा, अभी 37 मिला भी है। See the IT index itself. And still I am holding TCS and Infosys both. But in equity है मेरा इतना futures में hold करने का capacity नहीं है। I will do only in equities and I don't mind holding it. So this is really looking good. Still there is no bearishness anywhere, by the way. इधर भी नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को अभी भी। ये क्या है, 86 है और ये 85 है। So now there is somewhere some retracement possible or not, we'll have to see. ये अभी भी इसके ऊपर में निकल सकता है, यहाँ तक जा सकता है 35,000 तक। There is a bearish divergence, but it needs confirmation below 33,600. Let's write down for this also. Let's here. Daily breakout. Yeah, bearish का spine लग गया उधर, बारिश हो रहा है, bearish setup, bullish candle and band walk, monthly is bullish candle and band walk, मतलब वो क्या है, करना कैसा है, 80H होगी डायमंड इंडेक्स से, छोड़ दो इसको। Let's see FMCG क्या बोलता है, उसके पहले I think इंफ्रा आ जाएगा, let's see infra as well and reality भी देख लेते हैं। See, reality is taking 40 support on daily, okay, and that is where IV real estate and Shobha, I think किसी ने Shobha भी डाला था, I think संतोष महेश्वरी ने डाला था, okay, that is one stock. Then I think even Suntech is the other stock, they all are doing good. These are equity stocks, by the way. DLF I think is the only one in the sector which has been traded in derivatives, जो मैं तो trade नहीं करूँगा. I will still buy it on equity, I will never buy it in futures. So this is also looking good now. See, it took bounce from gap support and the CIP as well. So this is looking now good for another ride. So Nifty reality is looking good, and see here this is also bounced from CIP of the cup. So now this is the sector which might start the rally. So this is the sector to be watched, and I think let me before we turn, because मैं equity पे वापस नहीं जाने वाला हूँ. I'm just looking giving you the stocks for it. See, one of them is DLF. Okay, DLF can be a buy about 360 and hold it for a good time, because directly it will reach 515, 516. Okay, it's really looking good. So this is one of the stock that you can buy. I think Shobha जो इसने बोला था, okay, Shobha बहन इधर है तू, शोभा शोभा इसमें नहीं है क्या, NSE पे हो ही नहीं सकता, उसका नाम कुछ अलग है क्या? Anyone knows?
SO
अच्छा SO है, ओहो सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, शोभा नहीं नहीं ये 600 वाला होना चाहिए ना हाँ है see AB it has given a breakout on 60 and now there is a doji so buy about 650 hold it for a good target of almost 841 then 900 so it's really looking good huh? ये सब stocks शोभा है फिर मैंने एक सनटेक बोला था सनटेक भी बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है okay so Suntek I will buy about this 450 then it starts band walk and it gives till this तो ये सब रैली वाले स्टॉक्स अभी चालू होंगे एंड आईबी रियल एस्टेट आईबी हाँ बराबर I think this we have also asked a buy above 165 so this is the reason see it's first 60 support it's a perfect cup okay so this is also looking very good and look at the volume in the last candle okay this is the build up volume and now there is mediocre volume in this one and it's also taking support on the upper band और दो दिन बचा है ये 140 to 150 के ऊपर भी आया ना तो बाई कर सकते हो because now it will shoot and it is first target इसका भी 150 से सीधा 266 270 तक जा सकता है so this sector is really looking appealing now ओके और ये सेक्टर अगर अपीलिंग है तो इंफ्रा और भी भागेगा बिकॉज सीमेंट और स्टील के बिना बिल्डिंग कौन बनाएगा राइट सो दिस ऑल सेक्टर्स विल टुगेदर रन ओके ये सब तो मैं देखता ही नहीं हूँ उसका सी व्हेन यू आर इन एन इन्वेस्टमेंट मोड ओनली मंथली चार्ट टू बी सीन सो दिस सेक्टर इज लुकिंग गुड एंड मैंने स्टॉक्स भी बता दिए जिसमें मेरे को इंटरेस्ट है okay mainly I think DLF is fantastic and IB real estate both are looking wonderful I think overall reality भी इसी का part है index you cannot trade apart of just three indices which are traded बैंक निफ्टी and finance वाला जो है बस निफ्टी फाइनेंस निफ्टी बैंक फिर नहीं ऐसा भी नाम है उसका उसको छोड़ के किसमें ट्रेड नहीं होता किधर था मैं किधर गया बॉक्स था okay so now let's go back so reality index is looking good let's see infra oh new all time high diamond index भाई मेरे सब डायमंड कॉमिक्स पढ़ के चाचा चौधरी बन चुके हैं ये देखो ये भी हैमर एट 60 और ऊपर जा सकता है एंड वेरी स्मार्टली देयर इज नो बेरिश डाइवर्जेंसी ये दोनों का प्राइस भी नीचे है और आरएसआई भी नीचे है वेरी गुड it looks like a good sector and there can be a good this so now this is at 60 and price resistance gap resistance in 60 if there is a breakout on this it might really go higher so this is also right now at a diamond level नहीं बोलूंगा क्योंकि week मेरे ख्याल से daily is just below 60 okay तो golden भी नहीं है ये अभी but this is वॉल्यूम तो ये बेचारा दिखा रहा है एडवांस गेट दिखाता है गलत गलत दिखाता है वो इसके लिए फुल दिखा रहा है ना वॉल्यूम इसके लिए वेरिएंट्स नहीं दिख रहे वॉल्यूम्स में दैट इज द एक्चुअल मजाक so nifty infra is looking really fantastic monthly it is diamond by the way FMCG ये भी अपना नया डायमंड कॉमिक लेकिन इसने भी कॉमिक किया देखो 5 बार 6 बार वेरियस डाइवर्जेंस है इसमें आउटसाइड इनसाइड भी है तो देखना पड़ेगा अभी okay so there is a bearish divergence here on daily 38 ये तो यार बैंड वॉक पे डूब वाह so weekly तो no bearishness monthly also no bearishness बैंड वॉक क्या चालू क्या है तो मार्केट कहाँ जाने वाला है ये देख के तो ऐसे लगता है कि कुछ गिरने चांसेस ही नहीं है सितंबर में there can be some retracement but we were expecting a huge fall actually normally September में आता है एकदम भयानक fall ऐसा कुछ तो दिख ही नहीं रहा मेरे को ठीक है रे भाई 20 daily 6 bar bearish better bullish candle, and the band walk started. Weekly doji at upper band support. Upper band support. Monthly band walk started. Monthly band walk started, and it is diamond index for sure. Okay, so we'll have to see this quite well. Okay, I think Britannia did exceptionally well last week. Okay, but उसमें entry किधर भी नहीं था, so we were little bit surprised. But I think next week we are going to be again a little bit on a bullish side. Okay, let's see that. Nifty auto ऊपर चढ़ना पीट चुका है. फार्मा देख लेते हैं. फार्मा में कहीं पे तो करेक्शन आया. ओके, सो वी नाउ हैव a bullish candle above the hammer high. Okay, so I think यहाँ पे उसने हाँ CCIP लिया उसने 13600 के वहाँ पे we were expecting. This is the breakout level जहाँ पे उसने support लिया है actually. This is what I was thinking of. It has taken it. अब दूसरा level यहाँ पर है. So ये यहाँ तक नहीं आया. वो 13400 13300 का जो level है ना, यहाँ तक नहीं आया. उसके ऊपर में ही उसने थोड़ा सपोर्ट लिया है. वीकली पे क्या हुआ है. वीकली पे ओहो थोड़ी बनाया, लेकिन किधर बनाया वो भी देखना जरूरी है. ओके यस, the doji high has been taken as support, but it is too late or not, we don't know. But there can be some retracement now on this. See, it has come down below 50, तो 50 से अभी इसने सपोर्ट लेके घूम रहा है. ओके, RSI में 50 इज मीडियन. मीडियन पे सपोर्ट लेके यू तक दिखाए तो ये 60 तक तो आ ही सकता है. So there can be some buy trades on pharma sector as well. One thing I would like to see is this. कहाँ पे आके पहुंचा है. So we are about 25%. So we can come to this or at least to this level जहाँ पे 60 भी आएगा. So 14300 तक मतलब 300 350 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम इसमें. Okay, let's see that. There is a bearish engulfing at all-time high. See, इसमें भी अभी वॉल्यूम नहीं दिखा रहा है. ओके, यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है. ये बाय डिफॉल्ट ही है उसका. This pharma sector has got some thing to catch up. Increase a hammer. किधर लिखा मैंने, किधर तो हैमर लिख दिया, किधर गया मैंने, इधर गया तो इधर price support side 50. Monthly this is what have in pharma, and let's see now. Auto. Okay, so auto has got bullish divergence and getting some confirmation. वीकली में क्या है, सपोर्ट है 40 तक नहीं आया है, so ये और नीचे तक आना चाहिए था, यहाँ तक आना चाहिए था सीआईपी के लिए, तो ये लेट्स सी देयर कैन बी सम मोर स्टीम there on the downside, so 9600 से बाउंस आ सकता है इसमें, ये भी अभी गया तो मंथली इज बिलो 60, so now the only thing is next 2 days अगर ये बड़ा रैली देता है तो ही ये 60 के ऊपर आएगा, नहीं तो it closes the month below 60, so this is going to be what the other sector which is going to go the pharma way maybe. Okay, so we'll have to see what it does. This sector is now getting some trouble, it has got bullish divergence on daily around 40 support on weekly, so we'll have to wait and watch what it does. Okay, we monthly is broken 60, so 9793 is where we are, और भी नीचे गया लास्ट वीक से, बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस सेटअप था लास्ट वीक भी, अभी भी वही है, सेटअप फॉलोड बाय डोजी, followed by doji, 40 and lower than वो कभी नहीं है, okay, this is now not true, okay. Bearish candle below 60. Weekly bearish candle around 40. Okay, support of the supporter monthly bearish candle just below 60. Okay, so now just below me, just below me, below 60 हो गया ये. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's see the last sector metal वाला, उसके बाद stocks पे जाता है. So metal has got some beating, but see now this is going to be the resistance for metal. It's a huge one. Okay, so now we need to see what metal does here. It's a hammer at 60. So why there's the first bearish candle on the month after almost 6 months. Okay, so first January, well, January candle was saying, and after 6 months, now on the 8th month, we are getting one black candle. Okay, so there can be a scope of retracement. Okay, हो चुका, अरे बाप रे, ये देखो 23% exactly. So if it does not fall below this, if the low of this month is not broken, there is a chance of it coming back here, might get into a consolidation and a breakout again. Because the steep trend line has been broken. Okay, I think people जिन में P1 किया है उनको ये पता रहना चाहिए that there is a steep trend line 90 degree वाला टूटा है. Okay, so the steep trend line broken results into consolidation and not reversal, by the way. So now the reversal is not going to happen, but there can be consolidation because even the Fibonacci says it has bounced from 23%. Okay. So this is looking still good. So metals might consolidate, and we are looking into realty sector as well. So that sector is also doing some good things. So let's see now the stocks. ACC क्या बोलता है? ACC. Okay. Hmm. सब सितंबर सीरीज है इसको निकाल, नो डिस्क्लेमर नीडेड। So see what was the closing price, 2354. We ensure that it crosses 60. Going to be around 40 rupees risk with 70 rupees reward. Hmm. Forty के करीब होंगे बेचारा। इसको close करना, 9:38. Fantastic, lovely, become fantastic. So there was a Buddhist divergence day before yesterday in this. It's got confirmation. Then we can trade. Also above 40. And one more thing, if you have seen, there is an island reversal as well. As per island reversal, this is the target. Maybe this, the swing high becomes a target. So there is an island reversal at 40. इसको कैसे छोड़ा जाए? एक ही सेक्टर में कितना ट्रेड लिया जाए? तुरंत ही पाई एक्चुअली। पहले देखते तो यार ये भाई होता है। 77 about 14. Yes. 14, 16. This becomes great actually. So infra में है अच्छा चीज दिख रहा है। Okay. स्टील को छोड़ दो। Let's go to my favorite guy. बहुत दिनों के बाद इसकी याद आई है। It's by about OG High for sure. So hammer at
25 अगस्त को एक बड़ी कैंडल कैसे आ गई डाउन पे कुछ तो?
नहीं सर, वो डाउट नहीं है, वो फ्री ट्रेड हुआ रहेगा और कुछ नहीं है। नहीं तो इतना कौन सा 1970 का लो, वो बीच में किसी ने डाला भी था ना, लॉस बुक करते बहुत सारे लोग। बस वैसा ही है ये फ्री ट्रेड है, एक आध फ्री ट्रेड होता रहता है। थोड़ा बहुत टाइम पास करते हैं लोग आजकल फ्यूचर्स में लॉस ज्यादा दिखाने के लिए, सो दैट द टैक्सेस विल सेव। So now see it has taken the supported monthly. And now it is here. Beta जाना चाहिए। We already started the movement. कहाँ तक जा सकते हैं आगे? निकल गया। बस करेंगे। तो मैं भरोसा नहीं करता तो इतना दे सकते। हाँ, तो मुझे आता है। So now, see this is what it can go to. I think I have somewhere this targets in so long time. देखिए इसको 3 कंपनी में डिवाइड करेगा तो एटलीस्ट 1000 का एक शेयर में बनाएगा, तो 1000 का एक शेयर के लिए एटलीस्ट इसको 3000 के ऊपर तो जाना ही पड़ेगा। बिकॉज जियो, रिटेल एंड petrochemical, if there are going to be 3 sectors of Reliance, then it has to be at least 1000 rupee share. There can be something in this. काफी कंसोलिडेट हुआ है ये, there can be a good breakout. You can also have this in your this zone, क्या बोलते हैं, इक्विटी में ले सकते हो आप। मैंने इक्विटी में लिया है अभी 60 सपोर्ट पे ही, आई थिंक 1990 का ही मेरा भाई है। दिस इज लुकिंग गुड बिकॉज़ 60 सपोर्ट का इसके लिए ले लिया था। नाउ लेट्स सी इफ इट गोज अप, दिस कैन बी द फर्स्ट टारगेट एज वेल। You might see this only taking nifty one-sided में। अभी कोई तो हंस रहा था जब 16,000 फर्स्ट टाइम टच करके, आई थिंक टॉप बॉटम में स्टॉप लॉस दिया था कि और करो ट्रेड 16,000 के ऊपर। अभी वो भूल जाएगा कि 16,000 क्या होता है। शॉर्ट करो तुम, कपड़े उतर जाएंगे ऐसा लग रहा है अभी तो ये सब देख के। तो दैट्स आल्सो गुड बाय नाउ। Close इसका 2232। Okay, and 251 रखेंगे। Okay. What is the first target? ठीक है। Bigger target right now. Okay, weekly भी इस तरह से बड़ा target है इसको। Around that only the targets are. So let's not keep it. We'll trail if needed. It's the gap support where we have a doji now. Okay, I will just say enter and then we will see. So we can hold it also. I think it can go beyond 2300 now. I don't know if anyone is following. I could be following at the open interest and all, but I have seen 2300 to a lot of put writing, heavy put writing at 2300 this time on Reliance specifically. कोई तो आया, कहाँ गया वो? मैं उसको ऐड नहीं कर पाया। Sunil Sharma came and I don't know where he went. Okay. So Reliance, let's see Asian Paints. No. Sure, इसको 60 के ऊपर निकलना तो then we will think of it. So let us remove this out. HDFC को रखेंगे, बाकी सबको मैं फिलहाल डिलीट कर रहा हूँ. HDFC I'll still keep. I'll now keep a buy about this. Okay, and still everything remains the same. Okay, it's got a very good target. Okay, so let's go to finance first, and then we will come back to the other sectors. Okay, HDFC. Okay. बीच में कोई तो वीडियो देखा था, कोई तो मतलब यूपी का था, उसको बोलना चाहता था कि वो HDFC बैंक के बाहर खड़ा है, वो बोलता है मैं ये चड्डी है फंसी में फंसा हूँ. भाई HDFC का भी उन लोग ने भाजी पाला कर दिया. This is where I'm expecting this now to grow. It's a hammer at 60. Okay, so mistimed on our entry that day. Okay, वो बहुत गंदा entry हुआ था. Actually वापस entry लेना चाहिए ना. Okay, now my entry is above this 40. ये जो है ना इसके ऊपर में ये entry. So we cross this barrier as well. Okay, and if we enter now, okay, this is looking really good now for this type of a movement. It's downtrended trend line higher with breakout. You can expect this movement. Okay, so this is where the 2828 or 2830 आता है, वो एक टारगेट हो गया. Okay, छोटा swing trade for now. Okay, weekly it is a hammer at 60. Okay, and at CIP, if you can see, it is CIP hammer, and monthly breakout of flat. Okay, now listen why I was asking for equity and stock ideas, guys. Should not worry. This will definitely come to you on Tuesday, post market or maybe during market. You can buy this in equity for a bigger target. So this is my target on this. ये और HDFC बैंक दोनों, ओके, दोनों ने ये सिग्नल दिए ना, इसके लिए मैंने बोला ना कि मार्केट किधर जाएगा ना सितंबर में नहीं मालूम. सी दिस 3400 I said in the morning. This is why I said, and this is looking really good. The setup is good. Look at the volumes. फ्लैग का जो वॉल्यूम का सेटअप होना चाहिए वो है, RSI का जो सेटअप होना चाहिए वो भी है. So it's looking like a full-fledged, flag setup on this particular stock. And equity you can buy at a current price with a stop loss of 2300 and hold it for 3400 plus. Okay, so it's like 700 points के सामने आपको 300 पॉइंट का लॉस कभी-कभी हो सकता है, but this is looking really fantastic. So this is something which you can trade in equity as well. Futures में फट जाएगी, इतना बड़ा ट्रेड फ्यूचर्स में नहीं ले पाएंगे. Okay, so that is the main reason why I said equity में कर सकते हो और futures में will do swing trades. Okay, but in equity this is looking really fantastic, and same is HDFC Bank also. By the way, I'll show you HDFC Bank also. See the same setup, same 60 support. Okay, and it also has got the same movement. Weekly it is just below 60, जबकि HDFC is above. Okay, and this is showing you this support at CIP of 1550 का ही. तो इसके ऊपर में जैसे ये निकलता है, you might see it moving around 1600 maybe, and the previous high of 1650 will be touched, and that let's see what it does. Okay, it's into see a good consolidation, and now see this candles are getting into with some volumes as well. We'll have to now see what it does above 60. And second thing is weekly में अगर band walk चालू किया, then it will start doing a good thing, because right now it is resisting 60 as well as band. अगर इसके ऊपर में मंडे या ये वीक में चाहिए, ये वीकली कैंडल है, so we want to close above 1580 on HDFC Bank, which will then take it, beyond 1600 to 1650 levels, and then monthly तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, monthly setup बहुत अच्छा है, right? So this both things are looking good. Okay, let's see the other thing, Axis. Gap resistance पे है फिलहाल, so I don't suggest anything here. This is also below 60. So ये कभी 60 क्रॉस ही नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे, बट इसमें भी सेम सेटअप है. See the setup here, same. तो ये 60 के ऊपर, मतलब ये 800 के ऊपर जाएगा तभी इसको सोचेंगे, इसको भी इक्विटी में डाल देंगे. Okay, let's see Kotak. Kotak is at 40 support, but see immediately at gap resistance, so only the buy comes about 1750, and then it can come back to this level. Okay, so ये इसको gap से एक्चुअली निकलना पड़ेगा. सेटअप वाइज अच्छा दिख रहा है, खाली गैप पर रेजिस्टेंस है तो आई एम इग्नोरिंग इट. Okay, only because of the gap resistance. Okay, bye. Indus in my ting can pay. Indus might come back for 40 support. ये साइड वैसे सी इसमें भी सेटअप वही है, सब बैंकिंग सेक्टर पूरा वैसे ही दिख रहा है. ये देखो, ये खाली ब्रेक करने दो उसको, इसके ऊपर में निकला नहीं 1100 के ऊपर, ये सीधा यहाँ तक तो ऐसे ही चला जाएगा. इसको भी यहाँ पे देखो 1100 के ऊपर क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, ये देखो इधर भी गैप है 1100 से लेके 1042 तक का गैप है, और वही गैप पे वो देखो रेजिस्ट हो रहा है. जैसे ही इसके ऊपर में निकलेगा ना, दिस विल आल्सो शूट. HDFC Bank, ICICI नहीं देखा ना, ICICI is looking more better than Axis actually. So 60 के resistance पे है daily पे, weekly is about 60 with a good this thing, and monthly is at an all-time high close for now. There is no bearishness. There was bearish divergence था इसके पहले के week में, अब वो चला गया. Okay, so now there is no bearishness also. So now we'll have to see 2 दिन में क्या करता है ये. Almost same है 70.75, 70.75. अगर ये थोड़ा भी ऊपर गया 2 दिन तो खत्म. So it's looking good. So banking sector is looking good. So yes, Bank Nifty should do well, and it should hit a new high. समय आ गया है बेटे, अब तुम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ो. ये भी देखो डोजी एट 40 है भाई साहब को. That we doji, so above doji high, if you buy, it will also cross 60 on weekly, and the monthly is also around 60, above 60. So this is also looking good. Monthly 2 दिन बचा है, उसमें अगर उसने 428 ला दिया तो ये डोजी बन जाएगा वापस. 28 भी नहीं, 20 के ऊपर भी आया तो ये डोजी बनता है. So I think finance is looking okay to us. Okay. So sector wise, Nifty का देखा, Bank Nifty का देखा. Let's see with auto. मारुति ये देखो, ये और भी गिरेगा, लेकिन इसको गैप सपोर्ट है. Okay. I was expecting Maruti to come to this level actually. अभी देखना पड़ेगा यहाँ तक आता है कि नहीं आता है. This is weekly at 40 support. So now we'll have to see what this stock does here. I don't initiate any long trade here without a confirmation. Monthly is at 20 MS support. What bounce करेगा ये, but let's have a convincing bounce because there is no bullish divergence in Maruti. Okay, everything is failed in Maruti. I think कल तो उसके चेयरमैन ने काफी बोल्ड स्टेटमेंट मार दिया है. फिर हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स बनाने ही वाले नहीं है, इतना जल्दी नहीं बनाएंगे. He is not happy with it. He is not going to make it. तो क्या कंपटीशन करेगा? Tata has got an upper hand on that. They are coming with Tiago also on electric now. Nixon तो अच्छा ही चल रहा है. It's going to be somewhere. Let's see Tata. क्रॉस करना है. इसमें भी वही है, गैप के वजह से अटका है. So I think about 295 only this becomes a buy. It's a good doji. Yeah. Monthly we need to see whether it comes still अगर 294, 295 in next 2 days, then it's a doji at 60 by the way. फिर देखा जाएगा. तो अभी ये टाटा है, तो इसके लिए ऑटो सेक्टर में कुछ ज्यादा दिख नहीं रहा था. हमारा बजाज यूज करेगा. हाँ, ये भी सब 40 रेजिस्ट ही करते जा रहे, कोई 40 के ऊपर निकलना ही नहीं. बट इसमें भी ट्राई स्टार डोजी है, लेकिन दो शूटिंग स्टार भी है और शूटिंग स्टार रीटेस्ट भी हुआ है. तो दिस इज अ चांस ऑफ स्टिल अ फॉल. वहाँ पे गैप भी है, तो हमारा शॉर्ट ट्रेड भी इसके नीचे होता है. 3668 के नीचे can then come down to this level of support. 45.75. I think that is still possible. We can have that as a trade. Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is sorry, Bajaj Auto. तो हम शॉर्ट करेंगे. ये 3703 आज हम 3709 sell below E6 660. Target 3575. Sell 7. Okay. He is already resisting 40 here. It is at 40. So let's see whether it breaks this. इसके ऊपर में निकला तो बाय भी है. कम के लिए बट ये कुछ है जो उसका कुछ नहीं. There is no volume now. There is no volume shooting star. So you can have actually both side trade on this. 772 man. 772 versus so high. Both side trade is possible in this. Because there is a doji at 40 on weekly by the way. स्टॉक लॉस यही रहेगा. ठीक है. But so far 6 trades. Let's see the things. I think water में हो गया अभी MRF एक बार देख लेता हूँ. ये बाप रे, the hammer at 40 and lower back. That also with volume. Better. मजे कर रहा है. ठीक है. Just 40 crossing. कितना बाई करेंगे? कितने ट्रिप्स हम करेंगे? ये भी अच्छा दिख रहा है हमारे. I am not giving it now, but it's also looking good. See, it is 40 crossover with a weekly 40 hammer. Monthly, ठीक है, monthly इतना सी मतलब hammer का low पे support है. So hammer getting retested भी हो सकता है ये. तो monthly तो ये मेरे ख्याल से इधर तक वापस आ जाएगा. Even this is looking good. MRF is looking good actually. We did finance, auto. So we ये बाकी है IT और pharma. Let's see फटाफट. DRR क्या बोलता है बेटा? यार पुलिस डाइवर्जेंस तो बहुत बुरा है उसमें. यहाँ से बाउंस है, तो जब तक इसके ऊपर में नहीं जाता तब तक तो I would not prefer to buy also. जाने दो उसको. Weekly is at 40 resistance with the hammer and at gap resistance. So we'll have to see that क्या करता है ये 20 MA support. So the first target has been given of this. ये रहा first target है ये भी है. अभी अगर गिरा तो second target can be there as a Islam. इतना गिरेगा वो मेरे को लगता नहीं है. But let's see. It will come to lower band. 51 कर जा सकता है ये. It's a perfect M setup actually. Okay, M बन चुका है अभी. M का नीचे का भी दिया तो ये यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. So I don't know. Anything can happen. Charts are speaking in that direction. Let's see if it goes. I think more better is to put this stock onto top bottom. अगर इसमें entry मिल जाता है नीचे की side में, I think it is a huge fall. You can expect 3100 to come in this. It's looking bearish actually हर जगह से. Let's see. Atla has got some bounce, but it is a maybe bounce. We need it to go about 60. तो ये भी नहीं है. इधर भी नहीं है कुछ. इधर भी नहीं है. जाने दो इसको. और वही बाप रे बाप. सही चल रहा है. फार्मा तो रेस्ट इन पीस हो गया पूरा. This also I can't suggest any buy here. Okay. हवा से ही buy हो रहा है. Monthly almost it touched 40. Pharma देखना ही नहीं. I think only one good stock or which is doing good is Sun Pharma. वो इतना टूटा भी नहीं है, वो ऊपर ही जा रहा है. उसका कोई मंथली कैंडल देखो डोजी बन रहा है वो तो अभी भी. तेरा ही एक शेयर है ये तेरा इसमें. All thanks to Ketan Parekh. Still doing good. Sun Pharma, if anybody is interested, it is looking good even on Fib retracement. So almost around 38% bounce. is above this, so it can again go back to 800 levels. So intraday trade you can do if you want. Sun Pharma is looking okay too. Trade in pharma. Let's go to TCS. कुछ entry देगा? हाँ देगा. हाँ नहीं बोल रहा है ये तो पहले से. Look at this. कहाँ है? इसमें भी entry नहीं है. Yeah, that can be one entry actually. There is also very good PID setup here. Need this to go from here. इसका buying is above actually इसका क्या आएगा? 1707. So there is 10 rupees का this 10 rupees above the all-time high. Yes, all-time high 55 है. 57 है. So 67, which is I think almost touching the upper band. And your entry is above 1730. 1775, 1771. Okay. So okay, IT may there can be one thing that you can trade is Infosys. Buy is above 1730, and you can expect the target of 1775. So 45 points movement with the stop loss below this candle's low, which is 1714. Okay, so there is a risk of 16 points versus a reward of 40 points. I'm not going to give this, okay, but ये 6 ट्रेड ऑलरेडी हो चुका है इधर, so इधर कितना ट्रेड करेंगे हम लोग एक वीक में?
Okay.
Okay, so even Infosys is looking good. Okay, and let's see one more stock. Yeah.
You have submitted or you are yet to submit the claim?
Siemens has a doji and it is at a gap. So again, it is also looking good.
You get it on Medibuddy portal, but don't worry, you just share the claim number. I will help you with the claim status.
Okay, this we'll have to wait and see what it does. LNT देखना बाकी रह गया था अपना.
सर सीमेंस 2255 पे एंट्री है.
नहीं है. There is a bearish divergence as well, so I would avoid. So LNT is at 60 resistance now. We need it to go above this only for any entry. Okay, so you have to wait. ठीक है, LNT भी नहीं है. So weekly has bounced from 60 support and also previous all-time high to support. Oh, so this is also looking good, but I would suggest wait for an entry about 16, 17. You cannot enter right now because ये 16 upper band दोनों resist किया इसने. So you have to wait for it. ठीक है, तो LNT भी नहीं है. And I think FMCG तो देखा ही नहीं है. You know, और आप बाप रे क्या वो जो छोकरा थोड़ा नीचे आएगा वो इंटरवेंटेड आएगा यहाँ पर. So lever is also gone up. I think so is Britannia. Okay, so this is also looking okay. It's a doji at upper band support. And daily also has got a doji. So no. There is bearish divergence also. 4 bar bearish divergence outside inside way they were. Okay, so there is a bearish divergence also, but we have to wait for confirmation. So okay, don't jump into this also. और इसका bearish divergence का confirmation बहुत नीचे है. So that's why it does not make sense to have a short trade also, because your entry is going to be on the break of a trend line और आपका ये जो हाई है ना, ये स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा। इतना बड़ा कौन रखेगा? अल्ट्राटेक पहले ही देखा नहीं है उसमें भी कुछ। Okay, so we already have few trades online. Okay, so I don't think so. बाकी किसी ने मैंने को भी किया है, ये भी गया है, बहुत ऊपर है RSI के हिसाब से। पब्लिक ने लॉकडाउन में मैगी खा खा के इसको भी 20,000 पहुंचा दिया। Okay. Okay, I think we've seen almost all the sector, I guess. I saw this, Nifty, IT, FMCG, auto firm, yes. Okay, so we covered everything and I showed you few equity trades on reality sector. So do have a look on that also. It's really looking good. Okay, DLF and IB real estate are looking really good. So those can be two trades that can be taken as well in equity. Okay. So I think that's it. I think any holiday now comes on a trading day. We will do patterns on that day because we have completed, uh, what we have completed is RSI, Bollinger Band in detail. So now we can go for, some September 10th. September 10th, I won't be available because it's even my last day of my fasting week. Okay, so I will be not available on September 10th. So thank you all and see you again next week.